guys, so we just delivered Malka's GemLightbox to G.M.Z Creations today. Malka is a very happy customer of the GemLightbox. So Malka, what do you like about the GemLightbox?
I feel this is going to be much easier to work with customers. If my customer wants to see a picture of something or something whatever I made special for him, it's going to be much easier to do pictures.
So G.M.Z Creations here specializes in fine jewelry, engagement rings and wedding bands, as you can see in the storefront. So let's jump straight into the demonstration. We'll show what the jewelry looks like inside the GemLightbox. So over here we've got an 18 carat white gold, 4 carat diamond ring. The 18 karat gold, coloured emerald, sapphire and diamond.